How early do my movers and drivers need to submit a request off in order for us to approve it? So a good policy is to have 14 days or more. So if it's under 14 days, then essentially you just write into your policy that it's not guaranteed and that because it's under 14 days, you have the right to deny it. Now, if you feel like 14 days is too short because maybe you just book out jobs like a lot more in advance than maybe other moving companies, you can do 30 days. The hard part is that most movers aren't really that planned. So they don't, it is what it is. They just aren't planned with their schedule that far. So 2 weeks, 14 days is kind of like a nice happy medium. So that way they've got enough notice, they know that this is what's expected, and then you have enough notice in order to keep your schedule and capacity accurate as much as you can, so that way you can keep your trucks rolling.